Okay, students, part 2 itong video na ito ng ating oscillation. Dahil kanina, naputol bigla yung video natin. So, di ba kanina, letter B, problem number 1, letter B, hinahanap na natin yung ating acceleration. So here, yung ating formula ng ating acceleration. So, acceleration is equals to negative angular frequency or omega squared, A, yung ating amplitude, cos, open parenthesis, omega t plus yung theta. So, balik tayo sa ating problem, letter B. Okay, here yung ating continuation. So, yung ating acceleration is omega squared. So, magiging yung ating acceleration, no. Yung ating amplitude is 4, di ba? So, na-diretso lang siya dito. So, yung acceleration natin, ang equation niya is equals to negative 4 theta squared since yung ating angular frequency is itong theta. Di ba naka-squared yun siya? So, ito na nga, negative 4 theta squared cos, open parenthesis. Ano ba yan? Paulit-ulit. So, ulitin natin. Mali. So, acceleration is equals to negative 4 pi squared cos, open parenthesis, pi t plus pi over 4. So, ito yung ating acceleration equation at any time t. Okay. So, problem number 2. Okay. Problem number 1, letter C. So, same lang yung ating mga data and equation para sa ating harmonic motion. Letter C is using the result from part B, determine the position, velocity, and acceleration of object at t or time equals to 1 second. Okay? So, substitute lang natin since may equation na tayo para sa ating position kanina. So, yung t natin is 1 second. So, i-substitute lang dyan. So, meron tayong distance na, harmonic distance na negative 2.83 meters. And then sa velocity na 8.89 meter per second. And then sa acceleration na, substitute lang yung value ng t na 1 second, meron tayong 27.92 meter per second squared. And then for letter D, determine the maximum speed and maximum acceleration of object. So yun nga, yung kanina didiscuss natin yung velocity max natin and acceleration max. So yung ating equation is dalawa. Pero itong gagamitin natin kasi given naman yung ating angular frequency and then yung amplitude. So pi 4 or 4 pi. And then yung value niya is 12.57 meter per second. And then doon sa ating acceleration or maximum acceleration, ang formula niya is dalawa, di ba? Omega squared A or yung ating K over mass and then yung A. Pero since ang mga given natin is ito na, meron tayong given ito, so ito yung ating gagamitin na formula. So, pi squared times 4. So, meron tayong maximum acceleration na 39.48 meter per second squared. Okay. So, next. Letter E. Same problem. Letter E. Find the displacement of the object between 0 second to 1 second. So, kukunin natin yung kanyang change in position. So, first, meron tayong yung initial position niya at time 0 second, which is 2.83 meters. So, yung kanina pala, negative yung class, no? Paki-cross out yung negative. Positive ito. So, yung initial position, problem here is 2.83 meters. And then, yung 1 second natin, Ay, bumalik pala. O, so tama. Yung final acceleration natin with 1 second is negative 2.83. So yung delta x natin is final position minus initial position. So since yung final position natin is negative 2.83, so i-minus yung ating initial position na 2.83. So meron tayong displacement or change in position na negative 5.66 meters. So again, here, problem number 2. A car with a mass of 1,300 kilograms is constructed so that its frame is supported by 4 springs. Each spring has a force constant of 20,000 Newton per meter. If 2 people riding in the car have a combination mass of 160 kilograms, find the frequency of vibration of the car after it is driven over a pothole in the road. Okay, so i-write down natin yung ating mga given. So meron tayong mass ng car na 1,300 kilogram. And then mass ng ating passenger, combined mass nila na 160 kilogram. And then yung ating effective stiffness value or yung ating spring constant na per spring is 2,000, di ba? 20,000. And then meron tayong 4 spring. So yung total niya, i-times lang natin. So 4 times 20,000, meron tayong spring constant, effective spring constant na 80,000 Newton per meter. So ang solution natin dito, kukunin natin ang ating frequency, right? So para makuha ang ating frequency, ang ating gagamitin na formula is equals to angular frequency over 2 pi. Okay? So another formula para sa ating angular frequency is equals to square root of K over M, or yung ating spring constant or yung stiffness value natin over the mass. So given na ang mga value na ito, di ba? Ito siya given na para makuha natin ng ating omega at makukuha natin ang ating frequency. So with that, i-equate lang natin. So frequency is equals to 1 over 2 pi. Okay, and then yung ating omega is equals to square root of 4 times 20,000 Newton per meter over yung ating total mass. So 1,300 plus 160. So meron na tayong data para sa frequency. I-input sa calculator, solve, meron tayong value ng frequency na 1.18 Hertz. Okay, next. Okay, dito nagtatapos yung ating problem solving. Okay, class. I-end na natin ating recorded lecture. Thank you and see you next time.